And now for our Ladybug, this one also uses a 660. I've got a white 5-inch round blown up to about 2.5 inches with the nozzle trimmed really close. I've got a yellow 160 and I pulled the bubble about 2 fingers on the end. This is going to be the antennas. I've got a gray 360 blown up with a little less than, not even half of it. And then I've got a red 660 and I've blown up about 6 or 8 inches on that. We're going to start with our gray 360. We're going to do, so on the end of it, we're going to make a pinch twist. And then we're going to make 2 fold twists. And these fold twists are almost like a jumbo pinch twist. Just small enough to be a fold twist, but not quite small enough to be a pinch. So we've got that there. Now we're going to make 3 round bubbles, kind of small, followed by a pinch twist, and then 3 more round bubbles, just like the first 3 we just made. So you've got 3 bubbles, a pinch twist, 3 more, and then we're going to bring the end of that last bubble into where we first started there for the head. And then I'm going to make another kind of large fold twist here to complete the head. I'm going to take the rest of this off, and I'm going to go ahead and tie that before I tuck it away, just to make sure it doesn't come undone on me. So, what we have going on here is our 3 fold twists, and as you can see they're all about 2.5 to 3 fingers wide, a pinch twist, then our 3 bubbles, a pinch, and 3, just like that. Now we're going to take our red 660, and I'm going to take the end of this, put my nozzle there, and I'm going to twist this into that pinch twist at the back of the body, and I want it kind of soft. And then what I want to do is figure out about, let me grab that, where it's going to cross into that front where the head is, and twist the big bubble, twist the bubble right into there. This is going to be a shell. Now this excess we're going to take off. That's the shell. Now on the gray one that we made his head, this one just keeps it all straight. 2 pinch twists go on the sides, those are going to be his cheeks, and this is going to be the front of his face. So we're going to take our white 5-inch round, divide it into 2 equal bubbles for his eyes, and that's going to go right in the middle of those 3 fold twists we have there to give it eyes. Now you can see the face beginning to take shape. And then we're going to take our yellow. I wish I could tell you there's a better way to do it, but the only way to really effectively get that on the end is to put it in your mouth and suck a bubble on the end. Then I tied the other end, just trimmed off a little bit, and the only way to get the bubble back to the other end is you have to suck a bubble on the end again. Just like that. I wish I could tell you there's another way, but there really isn't an effective way to do it. When I get those 2 bubbles about the same size, divide that into 2 equal lengths, and then twist them into the head. Take one around each side and then pull them both up between the eyes so they'll stick straight up for the antennas. Then you add your artwork, and there's your cute little ladybug.